A quick shout out to John Woods in Elmira for putting on that wonderful guitar show. It was a great show, well attended, and it was fantastic to bump into my YouTube subscribers, Patreon subscribers, former students, tech deck owners, guys dropping by to pick up their compensated nut packages. Thanks everyone for stopping by to say hi. Much appreciated. And we're looking forward to next year's show. This is the compensated nut for James's spectacular curly maple Strat neck here. This is a custom neck. He supplied the guy with the wood. Well, like the job you saw me do on John's D-28, exact same thing here. Every single fret. I went over this with that file that I'd ground down and nicked off all those sharp edges. Every single fret were all filed down by hand and then sanded with 600 grit and then buffed with the compound. And now it is complete. Not a single snag or jag. Nice and smooth, as it should be. Very tight radius on this one, 7.5 inch radius. That's our self-adjusting radius gauge. So James will always be able to keep that a perfect match to the fingerboard. It's a Callahan bridge and block underneath. Okay, I have looped this C minor vamp to kind of blow over and flick the pickups around so you can hear the Strat. Incidentally, I recorded the Strat for that other progression so that I could do some single line stuff with the D-28. I will get back to that D-28 and just sort of strum some garden variety chords and let you hear it under more normal circumstances. Okay, so here we go. This is a C minor thing. The chords will pop up on the screen for you. So this is the vamp that I've recorded. So you're going to let that play and I'll blow over top. Here we go, one last look. There's our compensated nut. I did bring in that string spacing a little bit as he asked. It was a little too close to the edge. Of course, doing the edge dress on this guitar is a completely different job than the D-28. The entire face of the fingerboard, edge of the fingerboard, all the maple needed to be masked off before I got started. Anyway, it's done. Thank God that job is done. And here's a last look at that D-28 compensated nut for John and the compensated bridge saddle.